Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Viewers' discretion is advised. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advised.
When I was coming home, I heard the shots bursting. So I ran home to see what going on. And when I reached, I see she on the ground, lifeless. I feel sad because that is my real G check. Because whereas getting that girl that just make the day proper for fellas. So I'm not happy, and she there we always happy because it was sad. It's sad to see that dude go like that. Girls, I watch out, I see, wow, really, so you go. I'm disappointed because, to me, the man did not to kill a girl, yeah? The man did not to kill a girl. That is a little girl. The girl just turned 15.
Now, listen, I have some new information on Riley and certain things that went down. But before we do that, me a call upon Marvin, me a call upon Cutbutt them, me a call upon all the top tier youngster. You understand? You need to push out Lash Up and SpongeBob SquarePants, the boy Dylan. I wanna have the man them kill a innocent little girl and still have them in our own crew. Marvin, I know me and you have enough things, but sometimes you have to take the stand. Cause remember now, you because of you and certain man, they were able to organize the peace thing with the 6 and the 7. So what I'm saying, Marvin, Cutbutt and the top tier gangster, you need to push out Dylan, that are SpongeBob, and push out Lash Up because the man them a tarnish on the name. Now, if a gangster thing, yo, a boy shot you shot back a boy. You understand? But what Dylan and Lash Up did, a straight fuckery, and maybe you there jail, or Marvin and Cutbutt and you don't know certain things, but me have to tell you exactly what happened, why the boy named Malad get shot, and he didn't get shot because of Riley. He got shot because of something totally different. And for the boy Lash Up to go say that little girl there, it is a big pussy. Because you see, Lash Up, remember now, you didn't know what Malad was going on with, You just happened to be there and push up yourself. But me have to explain everything. How Malad get killed, and for some reason Lash Up blame that little girl there. Yo, Lash Up your pussy. Yo, me a call upon the gangster them in a St. Lucia. Push out them two you there. Come on, we now move towards peace and certain things, dog. Push out Malad and push out, no Malad me mean, sorry, I mean now cut this out. Push out Dylan and push out Lash Up, and you will get Countryman respect, and you will get respect from the people them, dog. Do it for me, push them out. With that said, let's go.
Countryman channel, the biggest YouTube channel worldwide, cover the world, international. Countryman only chamber, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, they a bitch and fog. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The mother vlogger, they a bitch and fog. Ride out the yang with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step for the shoes, hush puppy. You might see him on the news and make enough copy. Enough step him can't settle him feet. Ring double and them a call police. Send them shot, people them a band for peace. Over Trinidad, Belize is a fucking beast. Belize, fucking Belize, fucking countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. The motherfucker they a bitch and fuck.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Now, me I talk to the people them, and me also I talk to the gangster them. Everybody me I talk to, all the police. You see, Malad was wanted because him do a shooting, a killing down in a view fort, and him run away and him come in a Marchand. While he was in Marchand, him see couple youths there doing their thing, making a couple little money. So him see the youth them and do them thing. I'm wanting to look on the screen right there, so. So you have two young fella in a Marchand area, and Malad and him crew bad mind the two youth them. You understand? The man them I make little money. See right there, say now. So where Malad started to do, him start plotting and either to set the youth them up by police or go and take the youth them firearm. At that, Malad do you know. Him leave from Viewfort and come in a Marchland and see the youth them do them thing, and him decide to start bad mind the youth them. Let's move on. So now the boy Malad, him a pre the youth them. Now one of the youth where him get entanglement with is a youth named Plummer. Now I want to remember the name here, because remember now you know, Lash Up and Dylan is saying that it is Riley make a call. But given the fact right here, me I tell you how Malad dead you know, and me I lead up to how Malad dead. Me I give you no hard facts. Now, him start pre the youth them and bad mind the youth. One of the youth name is Plummer. So now things I get dicey with Malad and the youth. Back and forth. Rumor start spread. People start talk. The youth here say Malad want come take him gun them and all sort of thing. Now we are go backtrack. Here comes August 8th. There was a party. Now August 8th, Malad and Lash Up in a party in a Marvin neighborhood. You understand? They might hang out with this and all of the man them a party. Let me tell you, and Molly and rum, the man them a drink, dog. The man them a pop Molly. I be telling you something about Molly and ecstasy. You see, when you take them drugs, anything, any mood you're in, it will amplify it about 100 times. So if you feel like thief, rape, kill, yo, me a laugh but it not funny. At that, you will do when you depend them thing there. If you don't know how to monitor them thing there and control them thing there. So the man them in the area, a party, them see one of Plummer brethren, the youth will tag with Plummer, went to the store to buy some food, and Lash Up and Malad pull down on the youth. But right along, I want to follow me. All along, you know, Lash Up don't know what was going on, you know. Him just kinda follow the boy with name Malad. Them pull up on the youth at the store. Went in the store. Back out a gun on the youth. The youth have film own a gun. Next thing you know, shoot out.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel govern the world, worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy have some. Them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bomber clad, bottom feeder. You are dead brass clad, bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass the front up. Look, let's say you seaweed. We no smoke with fish. This a no seaweed. How man a touch them up? Feel free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from batty them ban. Harry breed them in a mile lane. Check it that she see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them a some bottom feeder. You are dead to bumble clad. Bottom feeder.
Now, the youth back him gun and the youth now play. The youth shot Malad. Malad run out of the store and close the door behind him and leave, lash up. And the youth in the store. And the youth put 3 shots in a lash up. You understand? So when Malad get shot and the youth know say them did offer him and them pull up on the youth. Follow the youth in the store because the youth went to buy food. Everybody know this in a Marchand, you know. Everybody knows this. And me I tell the police. You understand? Them went in behind the youth. The youth put a shot, him gun in him hand and him now fire. The youth back off. Put 2 shots in a Malad. Him run outside, shut the door behind him and lash up on the man in the store and the youth plug up, lash up 3 times. Now, I want you all explain to me, how is Riley responsible for that? And people know these things in a Marchland and they're not coming forward. Now the video I did, you can see from day one because this piece of information I'm dropping right now, I just got it. But the video I did day before yesterday, you can see I did the infographics right there where them say Riley, and you know I just had a hard time. I couldn't swallow it to say that this young lady, 15 years old, made a phone call and set up the man them. Lash up, you are big pussy. You understand? And me a call upon Marvin, cut butt. You understand? Me a call upon the man them for push him out and bring him to the police station. Make him turn in himself. You understand? Make him lash up and the boy SpongeBob. Because it's not right. You can't have them kind of gangster there. You know on the thing, I tarnish on the name. Now people, the information me I go now is exclusive facts. You understand? And Marvin and Frosted Flakes and the man them. You know exactly what happened. Because you see that night, August 8th, Tis, you were there, and you and the man them, the boy Malad, and SpongeBob, you all were partying, and you know so the man them go down to the street, to the store, and fuck with the youth, and Malad end up get shot, and run out, shut the door behind him, and lock up the boy. Lash up in there with the man and the man plug him up. You all know exactly what happened. So listen, you need to push out these guys. Come on man. Be a decent youngster and do something right. And Marvin, do something right to the community because you work with the 6 and the 7. Richard Frederick said it. Come on. Push them out. And I'm gonna stay on this case. And this is what happened. Riley didn't make no call. You understand? The man them look trouble. Through them bad-minded. The boy lash up him jumping it and get plug up. And couldn't deal with it. And go kill the innocent girl, yo. Listen. My name is Countryman, yo. I am fucking pissed off.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.